In this video, I will be desoldering the stuff from the board using this vacuum sucker. Now, most people don't like it. They said it's not doing a good job. This is 240 volts, but it's 30 watts, which I find instead of the 30, they should have a 60-watt filament, heating filament in it. But I have that for about 4 years or so, which I did some modification because it didn't have a ground. That wire wasn't secure on it. But some of my viewers have been complaining that this is no good. I'm satisfied with it. So I'll be demonstrating today on using it. You take it, you put it on the solder, which you could change. You could change the tips on it. When you put it on, you would wiggle it a bit because it's not hot enough to melt the solder. When you wiggle, you squeeze and you hold, and you let go. If while doing it you find the tip is too small, you could always change it. This board, I will be attempting to repair it. So it's not everything I will be taking off the board. And you have to be very careful if you notice it slip. When you desoldering your stuff, do not use the flux or flex, whatever they call it, because that would prevent the solder from going into there. It's like a grease. It's like a grease, and it would be preventing the solder from entering. This board, I had that working, and all of a sudden it went dead. Which I will be doing a video in me trying to repair the board. This is it. This is how good this soda sucker is. When you squeeze, let me put it back on. When you squeeze, you suck the soda, you hold it, you take it off the board, and you release. If you release it on the board, the soda would splatter all over the board. It would make it difficult, which means you would have to clean. This is it for this video. If you find it was informative and educational, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Until the next one, thank you and goodbye.